students. Now we will start with the new chapter of our Maths NCERT textbook, that is chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. So we'll start with the first exercise of the chapter 8.1. Question number 1 is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos A. Okay. So here what we have to do? First we have to use the Pythagoras theorem to determine the third side of the triangle, and then determine the required trigonometric ratio by using the formula sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Okay. So in right angled triangle ABC, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square, that is 576 plus 49. It is 625 AC square. So AC will be equal to root 625. AC is equal to 25. So AC is 25 centimeter. Now with reference to angle A, we have base is equal to AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Perpendicular is equal to BC is equal to 7 centimeter. And hypotenuse is equal to AC is 25 centimeter. So therefore sin A is equal to P by H is equal to BC by AC. That is 7 by 25. This is perpendicular by hypotenuse. And cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. That is AB by AC, which will be 24 by 25. So this was the sin A and cos A. Here you can draw a right angle triangle A, B, C. This is 24 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter, and AC through Pythagoras theorem we found was 25 centimeter. Now we will solve question number 2. So in the following figure, find tan P minus cot A. That we have to find. So the figure is given. We'll start with, in right angled triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 12 centimeter, PR is equal to 13 centimeter. It is given, right? Then PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Using Pythagoras theorem, 12 square plus QR square is equal to 13 square. 144 plus QR square is equal to 169. So QR square is equal to 169 minus 144, that is 25. So QR will be equal to 5 centimeter. Now tan P is equal to perpendicular upon base, right? So QR by PQ is equal to 5 by 12 and cot r is equal to base upon perpendicular. So it will be QR by PQ, that is 5 by 12. Therefore, tan P minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, that is 0. Now we will solve question number 3. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So given is sine A is equal to 3 by 4. So that implies perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to 3 by 4. So if we draw the figure A, B and C. So if we draw perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC, that will be 3 by 4. So let BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K, where K is any positive integer. Now in right angled triangle ABC, BC square is equal to BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Pythagoras theorem. So BC square is 3K square plus AB square is equal to 4K square. So this will be 9K square plus AB square is equal to 16K square. So AB square is equal to 16K square minus 9K square. So AB square will be 7K square. So AB will be equal to K root 7. Now cos A will be equal to base upon hypotenuse. So K root 7 by 4K. So it will be root 7 by 4. K and K will cancel out. And tan A will be equal to perpendicular upon base. That is 3K upon K root 7. That is 3 by root 7. So this is the value of cos A and tan A. Now we will solve question number 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So given is 3 cot A is equal to 4. So this implies cot A is equal to 4 by 3, right? So cot will be based upon perpendicular, that is 4 by 3. So now let base is equal to 4K and perpendicular is equal to 3K, where K is any positive integer. Here we will draw the triangle BC, 4K and 3K. Now in right angled triangle ABC, H square is equal to 3K, that is 3K, that is perpendicular square, plus 4K square, that is base square. It is Pythagoras theorem. So this will be 9K square plus 16K square, which comes out to be 25K square, the hypotenuse. So H will be equal to 5K. Now tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. So 3 by 4, right? Cot A is 4 by 3. So 1 upon cot A will be 3 by 4. And cos A will be base upon hypotenuse, that is 4K by 5K. So k will cancel out. So 4 by 5. Sine A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 3k by 5k. So it will be 3 by 5. Now LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, right? So this will be, tan is 3 by 4, 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So it comes out to be 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 1 plus 9 by 16. So if we take the LCM, 16 minus 9 by 16 upon 16 plus 9 by 16, right? This and this cancels out. So this comes out to be 7 by 25. Now on RHS side. RHS is cos square A minus sine square A. So it is 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. So this comes out to be 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So it will be 16 minus 9 by 25, that is 7 by 25. This was 7 by 25, 7 by 25. So from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved.